Bilek guys, parah ya. Kok bersama Gumon nggak jelas tahu.
Don't make me laugh. You don't get to decide whether our battle
Ini ada voice
has meaning
aktor
or
ya.
not.
Keren juga
I'll
nih.
never accept any future that you determine. And that is reason enough to fight. We'll unleash every mark of the stars and grind you into the dust.
Iya, Indes.
Do this.
Sebenarnya ini ada yang bahasa Indonesia, teman gue takut ngebug guys. LDS gitu kan, roomnya suka ngebug anjing. Namanya Danar. Oke. Kok nggak bisa guys? Oh gini. Apa sih kalau ke atas? Don, Bang Don.
Hey, hurry up, Lure. I'm leaving without you.
Ya kayaknya enakan di sini ya.
Come on, give me a break. I thought we were friends.
We are friends, so crank it up. Come on, get going.
I can't believe this. You're the one who can't get out of bed unless someone drags you. You wake up early one lousy time, and this is how you treat me. Come on, are you still asleep? Huh? Lou, I know you must be up. Drag him out of bed and...
Cakep nih ceweknya.
Huh? Morning, Marika.
Karakter kita akhirnya nggak gagu ya.
Good morning. You're actually awake? And you're ready and everything? How in the world did that happen?
I'm the one who said we ought to go. You think I just lie in bed all day instead?
Good point. So it was Lou who overslept. Yeah, that's right, because somebody didn't have the common decency to wake me up.
Kayaknya.
You were supposed to wake him up. That was the whole point of sleeping over. Yeah, but seeing as he woke up first, he could have at least...
Digimon 3.
There.
Maksudnya animenya apa gamenya? Digimon 3.
I'm ready. Sorry, guys.
All right, let's go.
I don't know what he's so cheerful about. It's not like we're going on a picnic or anything. I know, right?
Marika. Kalau animenya Digimon 3 tuh kan ini. Siapa ya? Kalau nggak salah. Wah, Digimon Tamers kan ya. Oh, ini nge-save. Boleh save. Enak banget ya. Apa namanya?
Hey, where's jail?
Konsol-konsol zaman dulu
Probably
anjir.
at my house. My father wanted
Kayak
the folks to
NDS
stop
anjir.
by before we left. Elder Regime said that?
Hey guys. Huh?
That's Jerk. Must be in the town square.
Coba aja ini ya. Game konsol sekarang tuh pada bikin portable. Wah, rame tuh pasti kata gua. Soundcare ya kita berarti.
Good morning, Dirk.
Morning.
Oh, ini si Dirk.
It's finally time, huh, guys? Are you sure you got everything you need? What makes such a big deal out of it? We're just going on a little trip to the Eastern Hill.
Yeah, but we're gonna take care of those laggards too. I'm glad you're coming with us, Jerk. I wouldn't want to go without you.
Hey, I just want to see how good you guys have gotten. Don't think you can slack off just because I'm around, too.
Slack up tuh apa? Bermalas-malasan ya slack up. Dia bilang. Loh, kok nggak bisa dipencet? Oh, harus diginiin ya.
I thought I might need your help. I wouldn't have said it go in the first place. Hey, that's a spirit. Anyway, I know exactly how good you guys are, seeing as I'm the one that taught you. As long as you don't let your guard down, you ought to be able to handle laggards without too much trouble. Won't know unless we try, though, will we?
There you go with that again. Yeah, you're always saying that. Even when you know you'll be fine.
Can't know how something's going to turn out until you try. That's the whole point of trying. That's what I like about you, kid. Remember, if you let a bunch of laggards kick you around today, no more lessons for any of you.
Just watch us.
We'll give it our best.
Getting rid of a few laggards ought to be a piece of cake. Hopefully a small piece.
Small piece.
Right. Now go see Elder Regime before you leave. I've been jailed already there.
Alright. Gotcha. Ini ada orang lagi. We can protect the village and the field. There's no reason to worry about us. Get out there and do what you gotta do. We grown up, so leave me alone. Elder's House, apa? Elder's House kan? Seru deh. Gambarnya imut
How
aja.
are we all today? Oh, hi, Shiska.
Emang Nintendo ya?
Morning, Shiska.
Nintendo tuh game-gamenya imut-imut gitu.
Oh, yikes, Shiska.
What do you mean, yikes? What kind of manners are those? I didn't raise you to be that kind of kid. You enjoy bringing shame on your poor mother like that?
Come on, you ain't my mother.
But she did raise you.
Good point.
Ah, there you are.
Hey, Elder Rajim.
Here they are, Dad.
Oh, bapaknya Marika.
Yes. I guess it's kind of late to be asking this now, but
Namanya
kids
Rajin,
really
Rajin.
intend to go.
Of course.
I see.
Well, be careful, okay? Don't do anything reckless and make Mommy worry, you hear?
Listen, we've done this already. You ain't my mom.
And come back safe now. If you get hurt, I'll wash your wounds with salt water. That'd really hurt, Shiska.
Si suka.
Then you'd better stay out of trouble. Is that a threat?
I feel the same way, to be honest. I'd rather you didn't go at all. Marika is my daughter, but I think of all of you as my children.
Same here. Each and every one of you is my special little baby. But I'm your
Special you,
sister.
baby.
And Kale has his own mom. Speaking of jail, where is he? Isn't he here yet?
Oh, he already left. Said he was going to stop by the general store first. Why don't you guys go get him and bring him back to the town square? I want to talk to you before you go.
Okay, gotcha.
I gotcha. Gotcha. Ini item. Wooden bow. Ini apa? Formation, view karakter. Tunik. Ini masih sama ya? Pakai tunik-tunik juga itemnya. Bentar guys. Ngopi dulu nyet. Biar mantap, habis sarapan ya kan. Let's go gak sih? Let's go. Keluaran lewat mana guys? Ini jalannya lucu banget. Imut.
Hey, Jill.
What took you guys so long?
Lou overslept.
Ini kayak ini gak sih? Kayak kalau game-game Nintendo versi bocilnya game-game PlayStation kayaknya ya.
Anyway, what are you doing here, Jill?
Here you go.
Medicine 4.
You didn't bring any medicine with you, right? I know what you're like.
Weapons for us? Oh, how thoughtful of you.
Jill, shame on you. You know very well I gave you that medicine to give to everybody. Don't try to pretend you got it with your own money.
Dikasih ternyata sama yang jualannya. Si Jela ngomong ini, ngakunya dia yang beli pakai duit dia.
Busted.
Ketahuan.
You're incorrigible.
I've lived in this building for
Tangkap.
3 years now, but sometimes I still don't get you, Jill.
Thanks, Gran. We really appreciate this.
We'll take good care of it.
Hope we don't have to use it, though.
No need to thank me. That's about the only thing I can do to help you kids out.
Ini kayaknya kita kayak calon pahlawan gitu loh. Makanya orang-orang bayar sama kita.
Be careful out there, okay?
We don't need to worry about us.
Okay, let's go.
Elder Regine told us to go to the town square, right?
I hope he isn't planning on giving us one of his endless lectures.
Keluar nih kita. Ini ada gambarnya, ada mukanya, keren tau. Dia jualan armor juga guys. Shield. Gak ada duit guys. Gimana sistem belinya ya? Cari informasi dulu. Oh, ini ada ini juga trading ya? Gokil, masih ada fitur-fiturnya. Let's go berarti. Sini nggak sih? Town Square guys. Kita bisa nggak lari gitu.
Let me ask you one more time. Do you really think you're ready?
Like I said, we won't know unless we try.
That again. Why do you always? That's his mantra, Elder.
Mantra.
You'll never get any other answer out of him. You ought to be used to it by now, Dad.
That's right.
Dear me.
Ingat ya Jun, RPG itu grinding, lu grinding lah.
Reckless. It worries me that you do not seem to comprehend how serious today will be. Listen, you may think they're just laggards, but lately they've been getting more and more vicious.
Lagar tuh kayak desa kita lagi memusuhi lagar
They're
ya.
forming packs, destroying farms, attacking people. That's what you're up against. You should...
Elder, you told us that a million times already.
Maybe you're getting old, Dad. You say the same things over and over.
Khawatir
What did
aja.
you say, Marika? That's no way to talk to him.
Now, Elder. These guys are pretty good. You don't have to worry about them so much. Besides, I'll be with them.
Well, you say so, Dirk. Very well. I won't say another word. I leave the matter of the laggards in your hands. Just don't be foolhardy. If it proves to be too much to handle, get yourselves out of there.
Don't worry about that. You think we want to get hurt? Hey, Lou, didn't you say that the laggards would be a piece of cake? Well, yeah, but if worst comes to worst, I mean, a bad cake could choke somebody.
All right, I suppose you should leave now. If you're going, please be careful.
Please be careful karena dia sangat khawatir dengan anaknya sepertinya.
Gotcha.
Gotcha. Oh, ini mainnya pakai misi ya? Oke, berarti kita keluar deh.
Okay, guys, the Laggers' lair is on the eastern hill. Let's head out.
Exit village. Oh iya, farmasi nggak sih? Oh, di sini tuh nggak ada long nama ininya ya? Kayak Final Fantasy 4 anjir. Ini lagar. Otomatis aja nggak sih? Kena lagi. Lucu. Didit Mamet. Oh, ini world map-nya, Cok. Cek dulu gak sih di sini ada apaan guys? Ya Dima. Oh, dia rekrut gak sih? Wah, ntar bingung nih kita. Iya gak sih guys? Ntar bingung kita nih. Soalnya ngerekrutnya sama aja, semua kelihatan gambarnya. Sprite-nya kelihatan aja. Oh, nggak ada guys. Bisa ini juga ya, Unite. Ini lagar pet buat apa anjir? Slash first, right. Slash with one-handed sword, first with a spear or arrow, and strike with a cudgel or fist. Oke, ntar aja lah ya, kita sambil berjalan sambil belajar.
Yikes! There they are!
Naik level 3 boleh.
Phew, now that was scary. Didn't you guys think those laggards were way more vicious than usual?
Oh, ini lebih buas daripada biasanya tuh lagar katanya. Lu pada nyadar nggak?
Something weird is happening on this hill. I can feel it in the air.
You guys can feel it too.
Gila cenayang deh.
Very perceptive.
Whoa, whoa! What do you mean something weird is happening? Like dangerous weird?
I'm not sure. What do you want to do? Should we turn back?
No way.
course not.
I'm with them.
How about you, Lou?
Kita
Sure, let's go on. Are you really
ini
okay,
nggak
Lou?
bisa di fullin ya guys layarnya.
Yeah. Citral Village accepted me without a word, even though I just drifted in out of nowhere. This is my chance to pay back what I owe you all.
Lou,
Yeah?
what's the punchline?
I'm
Punchline.
serious.
Punchline.
Yeah, I know. I'm an outsider too, remember?
Um,
Ow! What was that for, Jail?
Digitak ya.
I don't want to hear you talking like that.
same goes for you, Lou. If you ever say anything like that in front of my father or sister, I'll pound you.
You're both part of Citro now. That's all there is to it.
Thanks, Dirk.
I guess you're right. All right, come on. Let's do this thing and get back to our village.
Yeah.
Sounds good to me.
Haha.
Tadi dulu guys, setting dulu gak sih? Biar enak pindah-pindah layarnya. Tadi dulu guys. Nah gini enak kan guys. Oh ini bisa diginiin guys. Enak banget pakai layar sentuh. Oh ada musuh tuh. Come on Cia. Ini ada peti ya guys. Cari insen. Kenapa lu winter yang itu, tai? Laga bet tuh buat apa guys? Kritikal nih. Kenapa ngincer yang itu aja? Alhamdulillah. Ubuntu. Banyak nih. Gini deh. MC Suika dan satu. Oh iya. Tapi ini lebih bocil lah, versi bocil lah kayak kalau NS tuh. Kok pada ngincar? Pisah-pisah gitu sih. Burit ya kalau digedein ya anjir. Ya ada tempat save, ngeri amat guys. Lawan bos kah? Boleh save dah. Lazlo, emang namanya Lazlo ya Suikoden 1? Gua nggak tahu cuy. Suikoden 2 aja taunya kemarin gua namanya Hengki gitu. Ya gua udah baca sih namanya Ryo. Cuman yang nama yang gue inget, yang gue kasih namanya Hengki ini. Suikoden yang cosplay One Piece. Nggak tahu, gue belum pernah main. Oke, naik level 4, gila. Hampir menyusul Dirk ya. Oh gitu. Let's look again the way back, hah? Musuhnya banyak banget ya. Dirknya naik level 6 anjir. Terima kasih lu Dirk sama gua. Jalannya kayak larinya kayak lari apa aja. Kayak orang bleberak anjir. Oh gitu. Lajlo. Kalau nggak tahu ya, gue kan baru sampai Suikoden 2 ya mainnya. Terus dari 1-2 kayaknya dia masih ini ya, ngambil dari berbagai ini ya budayanya ya, dari berbagai dunia kan. Ada yang Chinese banget, ada yang kerajaannya, ada yang Inggris banget. Anjir, ada Eternal, Cok. Bukan Eternal apa? Iya, raksasa yang di Eternal anjir. Film Eternal. Nongol dari bumi.
What? What's going on? The valley turned into a forest.
What are you talking about?
Mametnya gak disebutin anjir.
Who turned into what now? Nothing has
Iya
changed,
sih,
you big
Tir.
silly.
Huh? Are you kidding me? There was this huge light, and all of a sudden, bam, we have a forest.
Kalau Suikoden 4 tuh mengandung bawang juga gak sih?
Are you sure you aren't still asleep?
Do I look asleep to you?
Sejauh ini 1-2 sih masih mengandung ini ya, yang banyak bawangnya tuh masih Suikoden 2 ya.
Maybe this forest was here before.
Setelah Suikoden yang gue mainin.
Are you feeling all right?
Are you really that tired? Even Lou hasn't complained yet. What am I, the weakest link?
Kura-kura Taten no Yusa.
I don't feel
Aduh,
that
gue nggak tahu
tired.
itu kura-kura apaan.
Oh, well, whatever. I guess it was just my imagination playing tricks on me.
Oh, well, whatever. I guess I could stand to be stronger, link-wise.
Parah ya, ini membuka mata gue sih pas main series ini ya, Suikoden. Gue kira yang mengandung bawang tuh RPG PS1 dulu ya.
What's wrong, Joe?
Cuman FF7 atau FF series lah 789 gue kira.
Don't tell me you're gonna start
Suikoden
saying there
ngena
wasn't a
juga lah
forest here
anjir
before
emang.
too.
No, that's not it.
Gokil emang ya.
I think it might be in the forest ruins.
Nggak tahu ibu. Kura-kura Indosiar. Oh yang ini. Yang pakai chroma key tempelan itu anjir.
Hey, I bet you're right.
Oh, it's so obvious. How come we didn't think of it before?
Come on, let's go check it out.
Sounds good to me.
Itu banyak bawangnya. Ntar gue coba.
Something wrong?
Gila ya, kalau menurut gue ya Suikoden 2 yang kemarin gue mainin anjir.
Was this place really always a forest like this?
Pengkhianatan dapet anjir, terus apa ya? Pertemanan dapet anjir, perjuangannya lu nyelamatin apa ya? Nyelamatin dunia lah gue bisa bilang, nyelamatin negara ya dunia lah ibaratnya. Kan ibaratnya semua negara lagi perang kan. Versi andap.
So you are still asleep.
Iya, kurang ya.
That was just your
Ini ya
imagination
dubbingnya.
playing tricks on
Ini
you.
ya. Kayak gak ngefeel gitu loh Div ya. Dubbingnya.
Yeah, must be
Kenapa
just
karena
my
bahasa
imagination,
Inggris
huh?
ya? Gue pernah ngeliat orang mainin dubbingnya Jepang, bahasanya bahasa Indonesia anjir. Tapi gue
Sorry,
tetep
guys.
ngebak gak sih? Kalau nggak ngebak gue ganti dan ntar.
Are you sure you're all right?
Capek pak mainin udah ini. Udah apa? Udah jauh ngebak kan. Wah sep-sepannya kan ini nggak bisa. Bisa di copy sih tapi ribet ya. Cuman kalau lu ibaratnya download lagi beda lagi anjir sep-sepannya. Hello Johnston, Israel Palestina. Iya sih bener juga sih. Tapi nggak segitu ya juga sih apa ya. Soalnya cuman beda ini doang sih. Cuman beda keyakinan doang mereka. Yang satu pengen ini kan. Padahal udah didamain ya di Suikoden 1, di Suikoden 2. Rusuh lagi aja. Sampai dulu deh, ngeri gue. Gue belum pernah main game ini kan, tertato mati ngulang lagi kan repot gitu. Malas aing. Kita belum ada apa-apa. Ini aja nggak sih? Auto aja sih. Kok yang salah Joster? Menurut lo kenapa emang? You never know till we try. I agree with you.
Well, what do you know? Nothing in here. We got all worked up for nothing.
Look sharp. I'm sensing something.
Merasakan sesuatu dia. Wah, katanya gerah, kepanasan nih.
Oh, what is
Kuyang coy. Tengkorak kuyang anjing.
The head lagger.
Head lagar. Lagar tuh jenis di sini monster disebutnya lagar kali ya. Siapa yang ngeluarin motor? Oh, emak gue ya.
Does
Lupa
that
gue.
look like a lagger to you?
Here it comes!
Anjir, gue tengkorak kuyang bro. Pukul biasa gak sih? Kalau musuhnya cuma satu guys. Anjir sakit cok. Lu ngehil aja deh. Mamet. Oh, Suikoden tuh ada manganya. Anjir. Wih, the real wibu lu ya. Gue lihat. Wah, anjir. Dia unite ya. Unite anjing bahasanya. Masih hidup deh ya. Oh iya, ini juga Getsu Suikoden kan ini. Game namanya. Oh itu. Yang gua tahu tuh game yang PS1 tuh ada Legend of Mana ya. Oh, iya salah. Ya lu ngehil aja deh bro. Jel. Oh masih bisa lah ya. Serang semua nggak sih? Serang lah ya. You gonna die bro. Naik level. Oh Gaiden. Yang ini bukan sih? Yang kartu-kartu itu guys. Yang kartu-kartu ya? Apa gimana sih? Gue ngeliatnya gitu tuh sejarahnya Suikoden apa? Bukan mana lagi pas nyari-nyari Suikoden 2 tuh. Gue searching Suikoden, terus ada kayak yang lu sebutin tadi dah game. Dia kayak ngebahas sejarah gitu, cerita gitu, story lah tulisannya gitu. Yang kartu di GBA. Iya. Anjir. Nontonin PPT berarti. Banyak amat anjing.
Oh man, look at all those things.
They're blocking the exit.
What do we do?
Harusnya run overway gak sih?
That's our
Kabur.
only hope. All we have to do is find some other exit.
What if there isn't one?
We won't know until we go look.
Ya bener.
No time to
Gue
argue
setuju
about
nih
it.
sama logikanya sini nih, Mamet.
That's right.
Let's go.
Lagi dikejar monster, ada ketemu monster kan lucu gitu. But you know. Beda sudut pandang. Karakternya bisa lompat nih. Oh nggak bisa guys. Apa tuh? Apa ini run? True run. True run.
Is this?
No, a dead end.
What? Let's double back and look for some other exit.
There wasn't any other exit. If we go back, we'll just run into those things again.
Giliran kayak gitu dia positif 5-nya dapet deh ya sini ya.
No.
Si Liu.
Okay, we'll lead them into the
Tadi
sewer
nggak mau
and
nyari
we'll slip
exit
past them.
lagi, nggak
It's the only
percaya
way.
kalau ada exit lagi. Sekarang suruh nyari lagi gitu, udah buntu.
Are we clear?
Huh?
What is it?
What's that?
Kita pesuta Soma anjir.
What is that?
Keluar si laknat anjir. Kalau beneran laknat keluar ya, set kayak spam aja di mana-mana.
This feeling. It seems so.
What are you doing? No time for that now, guys.
Ya, sotoy pegang-pegang.
Come on. What's the matter with you?
Run ya. Anjir bisa tiba-tiba jadi cenayang, dia bisa ngeliat masa depan anjir.
Yeah. I saw it too.
See what? What are you guys talking about?
Ya dia nggak bisa ngelihat. Ya lu yang berbeda ya, lu minoritas nih di sini nih.
Did you see it too, Lou?
No, not a thing.
Wah rame nih gue liat-liat.
Here they come.
No, no.
Come on, get ready. No time for crying.
Burik aja dilebarin.
Stand back. What? Wait.
Don't worry.
Iya ada ininya, ada cutscene-nya ya.
Guys, stop.
Gue ganti dah, nggak biar nggak ketutupan C.
You're gonna die. Hey, we don't know that until we try, do we?
The strength power welling from within my body. Can it be? Bisa kan? Is it the mark of the star? Can we really use them? Mark, apalagi nih baru nih guys. Oh, oh ini rune ceritanya ya. Breath of, oh iya ini rune nih ada tulisan 6. Ibaratnya itu MP-nya ya kan. Kalau di Breath of Fire di Suikoden. Ini dikasih rune semua berarti. Oh iya ini healing ya. Tapi tuh one alive. Lu hit aja lah. Beam flash. Ya nggak bisa pakai, kasihan ya lu minoritas. Wah sakitnya. Pakai lagi gak sih? Sebelahnya aja. Wah kena stun. Iron R. R. Oh dia nggak ngeliat buku juga ternyata. Ini kayak gue kecilin deh layar yang satunya lagi guys. Ntar dulu ya abis ini nih. Kecil gini mengganggu anjing. Wah kotor hatinya, berarti dia nggak merasakan apa-apa cuy. Puasa tanggal 10 apa tanggal 12 sih guys? Masih perdebatan katanya. Soalnya nih gue di Tangerang guys lokasinya, jadi di Tangerang tuh suka rada-rada berbeda gitu. Ntar gue udah gadung live streaming, lu pada belum puasa anjing, gue duluan lagi. Signing Legacy. Become item could help you if you got into trouble. Dirt. Dapat apa tadi guys? Coba lihat dulu ya. Ini ada trade-nya juga. Apa ini? Lah ini lambang kayak landing ini lambang ini ya, rune kita ya. Mark ya. Kita nyebutnya Mark aja lah ya sekarang. Tapi udah biasa rune ini ngomongnya. Loh, masih ada dia loh. Sakit. Guys, gonna die guys. Lu nge-heal dah. Gonna die anjing. Kenapa yang diincer sini mulu? Bentar deh, gue setting dulu deh. Ini gak enak banget guys, sumpah. Nih, gue setting kecil dulu ya. Segini cukup lah ya. Oh, pantas saya. Dah. Nah, gini kan lebih mending. Jadi nggak ketutupan chat. Salah pet. Ini bulat Jun. Suikoden tuh biasa mencat X gua. Siapa guys? Mamet. Darahnya udah pada penuh anjir. Siapa ini? Oh. Keluarnya Misa anjir.
I feel like I haven't been outside forever.
And I didn't think we'd ever see the light of day again.
It's gone.
It's gone.
What's that, Jail?
That feeling is gone.
You're right. I don't feel that agitation in the air anymore either. I think the lagers will calm down too. Wonder what it was.
Hey, wait! You didn't only come here to get rid of the laggards?
I can't believe you, Lou, is what I'd like to say, but to tell you the truth, I forgot too.
Oh, you hear that? I guess he's just playing better than us, huh?
I bet he's bluffing.
No, I swear.
It's no surprise you forget. We had more important things to deal with back there for a while. Legos.
Does what?
Huh? Oh, sorry.
Oh, dia sebenarnya tahu kayaknya deh.
I guess we've done enough for today. Let's go back to the village.
Sounds good to me.
Lihat dulu, kan udah berhasil. Oh iya, bentar. Settingnya nggak gini guys. Bukan mana sih. Sorry ya. Bukan ini coy, anjing. Ini benar. Left. Terus ini anjing ketutupan cok. Ini gua maksudnya. Satu di sini kan. Taruh sini aja lah. Apply. Nah, kan nggak ketutupan bro. Nah, lu pada mau ngechat banyak lah tuh. Ini nggak ada escape talisman ya? Hanya escape talisman.
Hey, this is it. This is the place.
You too? You remembered, right?
Remember? Remember to what?
This wasn't a forest, and there weren't any ruins here either.
What?
That's right. It was a valley before, then all of a sudden it turned into a forest.
And all of this is because you touched that book? Come on, guys. That's just a little too much. You don't believe it either, do you, Lou?
Huh? Yeah, I mean, a valley turning into a forest, just like that. It's a crazy idea, right?
Right, so you two, if this place used to be a valley, why would Lou and I think it was always a forest? To be honest, I can't help but think that book did something funny to your head.
Yeah, I'm thinking maybe you might be right. I mean, it's all just too much. I can't believe it either.
I do too.
You guys, come on.
In any case, we probably shouldn't tell people about this. Dirk and Lou are okay, but other people would think we were crazy.
Huh, you think so?
You think so?
I know so.
I don't think we should be telling people about this either.
At least not until we find out what that book is.
Nggak pakai misi anjing.